MLGO stock analysis and MLGO stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's actually printing me money and what is not. Especially MicroAlgo stock. I mean, all I'm here to tell you is that it's a bearish market for me. 71 cents is where we're sitting at. And ultimately, man, like, this is sick because previously I got like plus 7R and then this started crashing, kind of going up, which is interesting to see. But like I always mention with MLGO and with any other particular stock, unless I see a proper break above 123 or something else, bro, there's just no way that I'm going to look to take it further up. And I know people are going to come out here, this, but that. Please do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month and want to stay tuned with MLGO, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Especially this thing, bro. Like I also have so many receipts, 29 results popping up. So goodbye and enjoy.